All right, so you live in Lake Zurich and you're wondering what the heck is he doing looking up at the sky and standing on top of the grass. Well, I want you to understand where your water comes from. You moved from maybe out of the state, or you moved from Chicago, you came to Lake Zurich and you're like, what's up with our water, man? What's up with that? Well, there's actually holes drilled in the earth, and when they go down about 1,000 feet, they're able to access an aquifer. That aquifer is just basically a huge layer of bedrock that the water it collects in. So it's trillions of gallons of water that's underneath the earth. Now, in Lake Zurich, there's a variety of deep well aquifers or wells that access the aquifer. And at most of those cities, locations, they now soften the water. Now you ask, why are they doing the softening of the water? Well, the main reason why is because they've had so many violations with radium-228, 226, and barium in the water. By the way, this is why you want to get your house tested for radon, because we live on a gigantic patch of radium. It's attached itself to the water supply, and it gets into the majority of basements in the homes. So we see this all the time, so we want to just make you more aware of it. If you're looking to understand more about radium-228 and 226, you want to make sure, if you want to get that out of your water, you want to make sure that you get a NSF 44 listed water softener. Yes, that takes that radium-228 toxin out of the water. Also, a reverse osmosis drinking water system will take that out. No, not your refrigerator filter, but a NSF 58 listed reverse osmosis system will get the radium and the barium out of your water. These are some great systems to be able to use. If you have further questions on it, or you got questions more about the aquifers, please give us a call. It's very common when you move out to the suburbs that the cities get their water from below our feet. And so if you have further questions on that, reach out to me. I'm Drew. I'm here to serve you. Have a great day.